WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kaufman County until 2:30. National Weather Service radar indicates a severe thunderstorm near Kaufman and Terrell as well, moving east at 30 miles per hour. This storm may contain quarter-sized hail and gusty winds. Terrell, Kaufman, Canton are all in the path of this storm. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Kaufman County and northwestern Van Zandt County until 2:30. A severe thunderstorm near Terrell, moving east at 30 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. Quick radar summary on this